Yes, this property is rough, although it's no more than a DIY project if you're that way inclined. Have you ever dreamed of owning a peaceful retreat in the countryside, away from the hustle and bustle of city life? Look no further, because this cheap Bulgarian house for sale in the rural village of Konak, Popovo, Targovishte area might just be your dream come true. Located in a tranquil and picturesque village, this old house offers the perfect opportunity to escape the chaos of the city and immerse yourself in the simple and peaceful life of a rural village. While the house itself may need some work, the surrounding village and its natural surroundings make it all worth it. The village of Konak is a hidden gem in the Targovishte area of Bulgaria. It is a small and quiet village with only a handful of residents. The only sounds you will hear are the chirping of birds and the rustling of leaves in the gentle breeze. It's like living in a mountain retreat, surrounded by fresh air and breathtaking scenery. One of the best things about this village is its close proximity to the town of Popovo, which is only 18 kilometers away. This makes it convenient for any necessary trips to the town, while still enjoying the peace and tranquility of village life. Popovo is a bustling town with all the necessary amenities such as supermarkets, restaurants, and medical facilities. The house itself is a two-story building with a nice basement. On the first floor, there is a corridor and 3 rooms, while the second floor is currently in need of renovation. The house has great potential, and with some work, it can be transformed into a cozy and comfortable home. The basement can be used for storage or as a workshop space. One of the main reasons why this house is so affordable is because it requires some renovation work. The water and electricity have been disconnected for safety reasons, but they can easily be reconnected once the necessary repairs are done. There are also some old ruins of outbuildings on the property, which can be renovated or used for additional storage space. The property also boasts a spacious garden, measuring approximately 1,072 square meters. This is a great opportunity for anyone with a green thumb to create their own little paradise in the countryside. You can grow your own vegetables and fruits, or simply enjoy the peace and tranquility of nature in your own backyard. In addition to the beautiful surroundings and affordable price, this house also offers the opportunity for a simpler and healthier lifestyle. With fresh air, clean water, and the absence of city stress, you can truly relax and rejuvenate in this idyllic setting. So, if you are looking for a cheap and charming rural house in Bulgaria, this property in Konak, Popovo might just be the perfect fit for you. With its peaceful location, potential for renovation, and beautiful surroundings, it's the perfect place to create your own little piece of paradise. Don't miss out on this opportunity and make your dream of living in the countryside a reality.